quite significant. It's a 1.2-second gap between Hamilton and Vettel. It's a further 1.9 seconds back to Button. And then a second is the equal margin between Maldonado and Alonso, with Di Resta tucked up behind Alonso and Webber tucked up behind Di Resta.
Puppy.
Petrov into the pits, as I expected. Unfortunate for Petrov, a really good qualifying position, but already in the pits.
I'll take now, Aram se. I want to see Hamilton. Okay, they're gonna come. There you are.